Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we'll discuss the projection of line in the AutoCAD software, how to draw the projection of line in the AutoCAD software. In the previous video lecture we have discussed few of the categories or few of the types of projection of lines. So let's continue that same, and I have already created a drawing sheet here, and here I will create a page by typing the command of MV setup and unit setting metric, scale factor 1, paper width is 420, paper height is 297. By that we have created our drawing sheet page. So in the previous class we discussed the line is parallel to both the plane, line is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, then line is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. So this class will discuss about the line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So here we can see the line, the question is given in such a way: a 80 mm long line PQ has and P 20 mm above the HP, so and 40 mm in front of the VP. So this line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So, and we are the observer observing the line how it is inclined, and the line inclined at 30 degree to HP. Okay, inclination angle 30 degree given. So we need to assume that the line is placed in such a way so that it will be inclined to HP, first one. So before going to the inclination, let's assume that the line was, suppose it is perpendicular to HP. If it is perpendicular, then the line will be like this. Okay, the line is perpendicular to HP. Now on behalf of this perpendicular 90 degree angle, let make some inclination of that line with some theta angle. So in that way I can draw a line which is making an angle of 30 degree to this horizontal plane. So this is the horizontal plane is there, and this line is making an angle of 30 degree to this horizontal plane. So if I take the same line and make it a perpendicular, if this is the situation is there, now this line is perpendicular to HP and this line also parallel to vertical plane. Okay. Similarly, on behalf of this 90 degree, if I take this line and make an angle of 30 degree to the HP, simultaneously this line will be also parallel to the vertical plane. If I see this line and this parallel plane, vertical plane, there is no angle between this line and the plane. Both are in the parallel condition. So this is the position of the line is there. But the line is situated in which place? Now the line given a PQ length. So this is the P and Q, and the line is situated P point. Especially the P point is situated 20 mm above HP. So this is the horizontal plane. So this line, this distance, because this is the plane is there, from this distance 20 mm is given, and this same line is situated in front of 40 mm in front of vertical plane. So this is your vertical plane. So from here to this P point, or from here to this Q point, you can say this gap is 40 mm is there. This is 40 and this is 20 mm is there. Okay, and the line inclined, this inclination angle given 30 degree. Okay, and draw it the projection of the line and determine its trace. So in the previous lecture also I have told you that if the line is parallel to any plane, then there will be no trace for that particular plane. Now this line is parallel to the vertical plane in this condition, so there will be no vertical trace for this condition. So here only you can get the horizontal trace for this. Okay, so first we need to identify that which view will be give the true length of the line. Now this is the front view, as the observer is observing from the front side, and this is the top view. So if I see the top view, I can see the line, but I cannot see the line with a true length value. The actual length, how much is given, 80 mm, that cannot be visible from the top side. So if I see the object from the front view, I can see the true length, the actual length of the line, that is 80 mm. So first we need to draw the front view for this condition. So we'll go for the AutoCAD. Let's select the line and draw the line with some distance. Then we have to take a height. How much height is there from this axis, from this plane? 20 mm is gap is there. Then we need to consider the 80 mm length, and this is the line is there. Okay, and the same line which is given, let make it some color, and thickness also we can increase. But after increasing thickness, if it is not increased, then we need to check it whether the display line width was given or not. Yeah. Now this line actually actual length of 80 mm, but this line is making some angle of 30 degree to the horizontal plane. So what I will do, select this one and rotate and specify the point, then give the angle of 30 degree. Okay. So this is the angle made by the line to the horizontal plane. Now from here we need to draw the projection of that line, and again the top view which is placed 40 mm from the reference line. So we need to take 40, and here I can directly select this. Yeah. Now actually this line projection we have to take from this point and this point, then we will get this line. So this line may be any length because that is a projection which was came from the front view. Okay. So this is our answer. So for this again we need to go for the text. We need to give the text. This is let give the first XY. Okay, and this is the front view. So P dash, and this is your Q dash, and this is your P point, and this is your Q point. So here there will be no vertical trace will be there, only the horizontal trace will be there. P dash, Q dash, P, Q, and so the horizontal trace will be from here only. Okay, let now this one, let extend this. Now this line, what I'll do, I'll extend. Okay, it is not taking. So this one you can stretch, or you can give the extension command also. Yeah. So this is the extension part. But this line actually is the thick line should not be here. Only thick line we can give. Okay. Otherwise we'll change it by layer. We'll give the normal. Then we'll extend this, or we can draw another one line from there. That is better. Okay. So one more line that can be joined here. So select this line, extend, extend command, select this line, then extend, again extend. Okay, so this is the point where we can see the horizontal trace is there, and we have to give the H dash point from that. So again we can go for the text, single line text, and this is the S dash point, and here it will be somehow S point will be there. Okay. Now this one again so this S point is here, and the H dash point is given there. And meanwhile, you need to give the distance dimension for this also. The dimension will be given aligned one. So select this point and select this point 80 mm, and the angle between them we need to give angular dimension. is given 30. Yeah, and the height and from here to there. So this one we can do one more thing. A line can be created here. So that angle we can give. This one and this one, angle given, and the dimension, height, linear dimension, how much from here to here, 20, and from here to here, that is 40 mm. So this is the final answer of the object. That X point, we can take it to this side. Okay. So the next category will see the line inclined to VP and parallel to SP, which is the opposite of the previous one. Similarly, we can see the question is given an 80 mm long line PQ inclined 30 degree to the vertical plane. Previously it was inclined to HP, now it is inclined to VP. So first we need to assume that let this line incline to VP like this. If it is inclined to VP, then this line is parallel to HP, and the observer will be observe the object. This is the object. Okay, this is the object, that line, and before inclination of this, let's think that the line is perpendicular to the vertical plane. If it is perpendicular, then there will be an angle between this plane and the line is 90 degree. Now for this condition, the line given, PQ line given, inclination of 30 degree. So the angle between this vertical plane and this line, this angle is 30 degree. And this line is parallel to HP. This line is parallel to HP. Now it is parallel to HP means there will be no horizontal trace for this line. Okay. The P end of the line 20 mm above the HP. So this P point is situated 80 mm distance from the horizontal line. Okay. This is the horizontal line is there. From here it is situated 20 mm here. Okay, and the line is situated 40 mm in front of vertical plane. So this point is situated from here to here. Okay, the gap is 40 mm. Draw its projection of the line and determine its trace. So this is the actually pictorial view of the object. Okay, the observer is observing the object from this view. Now here again we need to identify, we need to see that which view can be drawn first. So as I told you, we have to see that from which side we can see the true length of the line. If I see the object from this side, I can see the line, but that line is not the true length. So the true length will be visible from the top view. The actual length will be visible from the top view. Okay, so we need to draw the first top view here. Then from the top view we can draw the projection. The projection will be fall on the vertical plane as a P dash and Q dash. So, and this is the orthographic projection of the line. So we'll go for this diagram. Similarly, we need to select the line, then take one point here, and with a gap of 40 mm I hope. Let's see, 40 mm gap is there. Then you can draw this 40 mm. Okay, 40. Then how much length is there? 80 mm length. Okay, then this 80 mm length we can now rotate, right click, copy, angle. Angle how much given? 30 degree. So here I'll do here minus 30. Now from here again we need to project. Okay, we'll give the distance here, this one to this one 40 mm, and again we'll go for the aligned distance from here to here is 80 mm, and we can change the color of this. You can give some different color and we can increase the thickness of that. Then the projection of the line will be taken from here. Yeah, and from here how much distance is there? I hope 20 mm is there. So line 20, enter, and if I do like this, then I can get a midpoint of this here, and this one completed. Now this is the front view of the object which was drawn from the top view. Okay. And next we need to draw the vertical horizontal trace for this, because no, this is vertical trace only. Horizontal trace will be not there because it is parallel to the horizontal plane. So then we need to draw an inclination from the line. Okay, so this line need to be again extend. Okay, it's going that side. Anyway, we have to draw anyhow. Then, yeah. Great. Then again, draw a line from here to here, and okay, this one you can draw. You can. Okay, let take to its original position. Then here we can draw another one line, which is the, yeah, like that we can draw. So we need to give the now next the location of this point, the distance from here, linear distance from here to here we can give 20 mm. Yeah, and the angle between this we can give from here to here. It is given 30-degree angle, and next we have to give the point. So copy this one. We can give P dash. Similarly, Q dash point we can give here, Q dash here, and this is your P point. So P point will be as usual here, and this is your Q point, Q, and next is horizontal trace and vertical trace. So that will be given V dash point, because there is no horizontal trace for this, only vertical trace. So here we'll give V dash point. So let me select here. So this is V and this is V dash point. This is all about the answer for this. Now we'll see the next category, which is given the line is situated on the HP. Okay, the line is situated on the HP means we can see that the line is will be placed on the HP itself. So the question will be given a 60 mm long line PQ lying on the HP inclined 30 degree to the vertical plane. So again lying on the HP and inclined to 30 degree. Previously it is given inclined to 30 VP and parallel to HP, but it is lying on the HP means there will be no distance from the HP to the line height. P point will be on the PQ line will be on the horizontal plane itself. It is very simple. Like previous what we did, we have taken the gap, but here what we need to do actually for this case, this line will be actually placed on this point. That will be enough. So this is the answer. There will be no P dash and Q dash point above to this 20 mm. Only the line will be placed on the reference line itself. Okay. So if you observe the object from here, that we can see this is the front view, but from the front view we cannot see, we can get the true length. So true length will be visible from the vertical, like from the vertical side, from the top view side. So again similar way we can draw the true length from the top view side. And so what we did here actually, the same method, same copy paste we can do it here, and just we have to take this front view on the reference line itself. Okay, so that will be the answer for this kind of conditions, line when it is situated on the HP and which is inclined to vertical plane. The next condition is the line is situated in the VP. That means the line will be placed on the vertical plane and the line will be inclined some angle of theta to the horizontal plane. So that is given inclined 30 degree to HP. So here also like what we did previously, we can observe the object from this side, and we can get the true length from the front view. From the front view only, we can get the true length. So P point is 25 mm above HP, and determine the trace. So here is the line is parallel to. There is no parallel condition actually here. The line is situated on the VP itself. So here only we will get the horizontal trace. There is no vertical trace will be there for this. So let's see. We can draw this diagram. Let's extend this line, and okay. Now select the line with a height of how much given? Height is given 25 mm height. So from here, let's select the line and 25 mm height. Then the line length given 70. Okay. Now this 70 mm we can rotate from the base point, and right click, copy with an angle of I hope 30 degree. Yeah, 30 degree only. So now we have to draw the projection from here. Right click and join here, and see the answer. This one we can reduce this. Okay, and this line and this line. This is the answer for the top view and front view. So we can highlight this. We can increase the thickness of the line. And meanwhile, we need to give the dimension for this. The dimension we can give in this way, and linear dimension from here to here, and we can see the align dimension from here to this line 70, and meanwhile we can give the points like P dash, Q dash, and copy, paste, and similarly P dash can be copied, and here this we can give here, and P point copy, and here paste. Okay, and finally we can draw the trace for this H dash point at the same line. It will be there. So just we need to extend this. Okay, we need to extend the line. Previously what we did, the same method we need to follow. So here we need to give the H and H dash point. You can select 4, you can enter 0, then you can see H, comma, H dash. Okay, and this line, we can, after getting this line, we can give the point, we can draw a thick line, as a small line actually. But otherwise we'll do that one, point. Let's give the point here, it is not visible. Go to the utilities, point style, then point style, select this one, then this one we can place it in the original position. Go to the line, select this point, and join this. So this is the horizontal trace what we are getting here. Okay. So this is the line situated in the vertical plane. Okay. The next category is the line situated on both HP and VP. That means the line is situated on the reference line itself. So there is no question about this. Draw the projection of the 60 mm long line PQ, which is situated both the HP and vertical plane, HP as well as VP. Determine the trace. So there will be no trace for this because it is parallel to both. It is situated on the reference line itself. So a 60 mm line you can see, which is placed on the origin line itself. So that means we need to draw the line on the reference line itself. So let extend this and extend this line and extend this point also. Just we need to select the line, take any one reference point and take 60, enter. Now select this line and give the change its color, give some color and give some thickness of that, and remaining all the points will be as usual, PQ, PQ dash, all will be in the same point. Okay, and copy, you can paste here. Similarly, copy, paste here, then copy, again paste here, again P dash, copy and paste here. Okay, PP dash, PP dash, QQ dash, XY line, and there will be no trace for this point. And we can give the dimension for this from here to and this one. So 60 mm is there. So this is all about the line of projection in vertical plane and horizontal plane. So one more is there, the line is inclined to both the plane, that we will discuss in our next lecture. So up to this I hope all of you understood. If any kind of doubt and problems are there, issues are there, you can give a comment on the comment box. So thank you all of you. Thank you.